The Ferrari LaFerrari replacement, yes, the 2025 F250 is here, and this is what we know so far about the new prototype from the Prancing Horse. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. Now, we have some spy photos again from Gabe TZ's spy unit of the new Ferrari F250. Definitely check the link down below for Gabe's Facebook page so you guys can see more of his spy photos, because he's always giving us the best content. Now, its name is unknown, but for now, the new Ferrari Hypercar homologated for the street has once again been seen at the main gate of the Prancing Horse brand factory. Now, the code name F250 is what we're using, and there's some new spy photos and a closer look that has allowed us to get personal with the new beast that should be arriving in 2025. Now, Ferrari's most exclusive clients are already dreaming of the new hypercar that the Prancing Horse brand is testing in the surroundings of the Maranello factory. And again, this is a substitute for the exquisite LaFerrari hypercar that has been rolling around for a few months, always in the vicinity of the headquarters and well covered in camouflage. Now, as you can see, these new spy photos truly take your breath away of what this car could really look like. And the closest look that you're going to get of a model that will only go on sale for the most VIP customers of the Italian brand, those who have had or have in their garage from the Ferrari F40 to the LaFerrari. Now, what is more clear than ever is that this car draws attention very powerfully due to its low height and extreme aggressiveness. It's a serious rival for the new Mercedes AMG 1. Now, the snapshots show a true beast of the asphalt in a little advanced stage of development, but there are significant details such as a huge front bumper turned into a large air intake with different subdivisions, as well as a brutal spoiler on the lower lip that reaches to the edge of the front wheels to take advantage of the maximum downforce on the front axle, the same as the large spoiler on the back that dominates the whole rear with the diffuser that almost gets more attention. Now, you also have deep slips in the front hood, which supply air to the thermal mechanics intake ducts, since Ferrari's new hypercar will be a powerful hybrid made with lightweight materials drawn from their experience in WEC and Formula One. Now, the information about this exclusive model is top secret, obviously, but we know that it will be a hybrid because we see the warnings for danger due to high voltage that are distributed throughout the body, which could point to a combination of a powerful V6 gasoline engine with 3 or 4 electric motors to develop a power figure well over 1,000 horses. But what is true is that Ferrari is protecting this model to the maximum, which will probably be a limited edition, as most Ferrari hypercars are. Now, the firm plans to introduce a new hypercar in the fall of next year, 2024, and beginning deliveries to lucky owners from 2026. So with that said, what do you see in the new Ferrari 250 that you love so far? Any small details, anything you can pick up on that I didn't mention today? Drop those comments down below. What do you feel about this new hypercar? And with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate the love per usual, guys. Thank you so much. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and social media links down in the description below. Make sure you guys also subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. We will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.